Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my apartment. This is my spacious living room. Design, I really like it because for me it is important to be surrounded by beauty around you. And I like this room because I spend here a lot of time with my friends. We like to watch TV and just chill. Let's go to the kitchen. I love cooking, and for me it is important to have all things that you need for preparing dinner. And I was really enjoyed and surprised when I saw that this kitchen have everything. Let's take a look at the bedroom. There is huge, cute, cozy and spacious. And there is plenty of storage space because for me it is very important that I have a lot of clothes. I work from home and this is my home office. I like this because after working hours I can make like this. One thing that I love in my apartment, these huge windows, because I really like to meet their sunrise. And here I have my own bathroom where I prepare myself to meetings and spend a lot of time here after work. And one more thing that I would like to show you is our amenities. So let's go and have a look. Oh, by the way, this door is guest bathroom. So there are our main amenities: swimming pool, gym and sauna. This is a small walk zone, and if you have a car parking space is available for you and it is included in the payment. And as I said, our building is located in the Dubai Marina. Honestly love this area because it is important for me to have place for work, access to the beach and a lot of places, fair restaurants and chill zones. And honestly speaking, finding an apartment in Dubai is a really annoying thing because there are a lot of options in the listings and most all of them are scammers. The picture and reality are different. And I really like it to find apartment with Colife because, as you saw, apartment is well equipped and we have our own community. I like people that I met in this community and all bills are included. So guys, thank you for visiting me and our room tour is coming to the end.